It's time for a first release of the drawing annotation feature of Tekla Structures in Trimble Connect. This is truly something we believe will be having an impact on the way of working in the future. While drawings can contain the most complete information, it always requires the right understanding to formulate the correct interpretation of it. On the other hand, a 3D model speaks more than 1,000 words. It makes it easy to understand complex circumstances. Combining both will result in easier, faster and better understanding overall, and not to forget the opportunities to work more efficiently. Again, this is the first release. It works with the Trimble Connect web browser version only, and you need to have two extensions, a Trimble Connect extension and a Tekla Structures extension. But now let's have a look how it works. It is mandatory that the project is uploaded in Trimble Connect. After that is done, we can start doing the actual annotation job. Here in this example, we have a cast unit drawing and a couple of GA drawings, and I'm just showing here the snapshots to visualize the content of the drawing. Now selecting the amount of drawings we would like to upload, starting the extension, which takes care of all the necessary steps to put the information into the cloud. Okay, done. Let's have a look at the Trimble Connect model. First, we need to enable the extension, and then we have to enable it. This provides us all the features related to annotation. Let's start with the GA drawings we created and uploaded to the cloud, respectively to the Trimble Connect model. With a click of the eye symbol, you can activate the particular GA drawing. Now you see this is perfectly aligned and attached to the model itself and represents all the styles as they are defined in the model, respectively in the drawing. Enabling the others, which were created and uploaded. And you may also see that there were different styles in the drawing. This perfectly matches as the drawings were made. That's not only working for general arrangement drawings, this also works for assembly, single part drawings, and most importantly, for cast unit drawings. Here an example of a fully reinforced beam with all the dimensions, callouts, whatever is necessary or has been decided to put on a drawing. Also here, special features to align and investigate the model with the annotations and enabling therewith opportunities to start new ways of working. And of course, all this information annotation can be combined. So there's no exclusive view. So you can combine GA drawings, assembly drawings, cast unit drawings, all the types supported in one view. It can be then combined to obtain best possible visualization of information.